Why do we get nervous? Feeling nervous is something everyone experiences. Let's find out why it happens. What is nervousness? Nervousness is a feeling of worry or fear about something that is going to happen. You might feel nervous before a test or speaking in front of others. Why it happens? Nervousness happens because our bodies are getting ready to face a challenge. When we feel nervous, our brain sends signals to our body to be more alert. Body's reaction. When you're nervous, you might have a faster heartbeat, breathe quicker, sweat more, or get butterflies in your stomach. Helpful nervousness. Sometimes, being a little nervous can help you do better. It can make you more focused and ready to do your best. How to feel better, to feel less nervous? You can. Take deep breaths. Think positive thoughts. Practice what you need to do. Talk to someone you trust. Nervousness is just your body's way of getting ready for something important. Remember, everyone feels nervous sometimes, and that's okay.